What's up, guys? Amazing trade, guys. You just made 420% profit on the last 48 hours. Let me show the trades I share in the private list. We trade graphing protocol, SingularityDAO, StaFi, FireStarter, Paycoin, AllianceBlock. Guys, it's all about the volume. First of all, let's talk about Bitcoin. Talk about Bitcoin, guys. Like I mentioned before in my last video, Bitcoin just hit this line here. It's called 200 exponential moving average, and you're waiting to see what happened after this line, because last time when the Bitcoin hit this 200 exponential moving average, price went down. Okay, let's see what's gonna happen. My last call in Bitcoin was for members buy Bitcoin right here at 16,500. So members bought it, and members know when they should sell Bitcoin. They follow my strategy. By the way, guys, when you become a member, I'm gonna share this platform with you, so you don't have to spend $600 with TradingView. Okay. Now, graphing protocol. Take a look at this. 190% on the last 7 days. In the last 30 days, 865%. And that's how you make money, guys. You to make money trade penny coins. Take a look how much this price costs. Right now, it costs 1.5 cents, because we traded in focus and volume, guys. If you calculate volume spike plus buyer power, that's how the combination you find those coins. $1.6 million, $1.4 million on the last hour, 14 million, 92 million, $2 million, $311 million, $11 million. Guys, if I made $42,000, you can make the same profits I do. Like I mentioned before, volume spike plus buyer power. First trade recap, StaFi, guys. I shared this trade in the private list on February 3rd. We bought this coin for 42 cents and we put a sell order right here at the daily resistance, 75 cents. I made $7,000 this single trade. Next trade recap is FireStarter, guys. I shared this trade in the private list right here on, it was 4. We bought this coin for 0.026 and we put a sell order up here, 0.063. Guys, 142%. I made 150% in this trade, okay? That's all I got to say. Feel free to reach me out. Guys, follow my Twitter account. I share some knowledge here on the Twitter too. If you like to become a member, feel free to reach me out. pumpdumpboy@gmail.com. Together, we are strong. More people buying the same coin at the same time, price goes up faster. That's all you gotta do. Thanks for your time. Have a blessed day. And ask me the free platform to trade, because I'm gonna send you a secret link. So, okay? Thanks for your time. Bye.